Business owners today need a reliable courier service that will guarantee safe delivery of their products to their valued customers. They want reliable door-to-door parcel delivery within the UK and worldwide. They want the hassle of managing these parcels taken away so that they can focus on what they are good at. Whether you have an online store, Etsy, eBay, Shopify, or you run your business from home, if you send document, parcels, pallets, packets, freight, import, or exports to different destinations in the UK or internationally, maybe it's time to try out a new shipping solution for your business. Our online shipping portal is free with no contract or tie-in. You can use it as little or as much as you want. You can compare multiple couriers, services, costs, delivery speed, book shipments, and print shipping labels in an instant. Your shipment will then be collected and delivered to its destination. It's that simple. You can track its progress on your dashboard. We've harnessed the power of bulk buying and are able to deliver lower courier costs than you would otherwise receive as a low-volume business. Let us look after you. Every customer is assigned a dedicated account manager who is just a phone call away if you ever need help or advice. No matter what you need to ship, we will have a solution for you. We provide the lowest courier rates, instant quote comparisons, and flexible delivery options at your fingertips. Contact us today at www.theparcelportal.com to book a free demo and get started.